Welcome to the Amazon, home of 1/10 of the world's species. What we're talking about today is the rainforest generates its own rain. My rain.
So today we're trying to interview someone who actually lives here in the Amazon rainforest. A rainforest is a forest that receives more than 80 inches of rain per year. Oh, here comes someone now. Do you mind if I interview you?
No.
Alright, so how do you think the Amazon rainforest is impacting other parts of the world?
Blah, 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 blah.
The rainforest is my home, and there is much to like about it. The animals, the trees, and the plants. I believe the rainforest helps other...
Alright, thank you for your response.
These are some of the animals of the Amazon rainforest. A toucan, a sloth, and an iguana. The rainforest once covered 14% of Earth's land surface.
This is a map of the Amazon rainforest.
This is a picture of a stilted house over the Amazon.
But the one is constantly shrinking due to deforestation, and that's a problem because the rainforest creates rain for the rest of the world.
The Amazon makes its own rain. How does this happen? The trees and leaves make their own rain with evaporation.
Hai no ka u ai ka ulala au means the rain follows after the forest.
NASA proved that there are, in fact, clouds over the Amazon rainforest using their satellites. Here's a diagram of how rain transports from the Amazon to us.